Hi, this is Fernando Rebozo with ReallyNiceHomes.com, and today I'm going to be talking about how you should take ownership of a property when purchasing. This is concerning about the title, how to hold title, and that will be dependent on your case. And I want to caution, you should talk to an attorney based on your particular needs, because everybody's needs are different, and you should consult an attorney to give you the advice how to hold title when you purchase a property. Most common way to hold title, especially in the state of Maryland, is when you have a sole ownership. When one person purchasing a property, that's a common way to hold title, as a sole ownership. But it is when you have a number of people purchasing a property when it becomes kind of complicated, and you have to see what is the best way to hold title if you have several people purchasing a property. And one of them will be joint tenants. Joint tenants is when 4 people, maybe 5 people purchase a property, and then if one of them dies, automatically everybody else on that title gets happy because they get more, they get their share of ownership basically. So as the person dies, their ownership on that property also dies, and everybody else gets their part equally. So this is joint tenants. Then there's another way how to circumvent that problem, if you want to call it this way, but it's tenants in common. So you have maybe 2 people buying a home and one of them dies, then automatically their share of ownership on that property goes directly to the survivors of the person that died. So the ownership stays with the property regardless whether the person lives or dies. So this can be put in inheritance for the survivors, and they can take possession of the part of ownership on the house, and that is tenants in common. But ultimately, I think this the 99% of the time, you know, when I go to closings, it's husband and wife, and they want to buy a house under tenants by entirety, which that's the way to hold title when you're a husband and wife. One of them dies, automatically the other person, the survivor, gets possession of the whole house, and they have full ownership of the house without having to go through procedures, going through court, change titles, or anything like that. But as always, I want to advise you to speak to an attorney according to your case. Maybe they should have better suggestions for you how to hold title when you purchase a property. We're looking forward to helping you. Please give us a call. Thank you. Have a good day.